Hey guys, it's Shanna Lene Hadaway, and I had my first art exhibition this past Friday. There were tons of amazing artists and lots of people, but I managed to capture a little bit of footage from that night, and I also threw in some footage from other things that I did this weekend. And at the end, an unboxing from Dick Blick Art Supplies. I hope you guys enjoy. Hey guys, this is Shanna Lene Hadaway, and this is my Blick Art Materials unboxing. I'm sure that's all backwards and everything. That's just great. But, oh well. And pops. Yay! My kid's favorite part. I didn't order a whole variety of stuff, but I've got a massive amount of brushes. And these guys that I've been wanting to try out, the Prismacolor Coal Erase. I got one in Scarlet Red and in Black. That one's got a messed up eraser. Oh well. Yeah, I've been wanting to try these out for transferring my sketches and stuff to my canvases. I've been using graphite for a while. I've used a few things. I've used graphite, I've used transfer paper, I've used chalk, but the problem with those is that they all smear, and it's really, really annoying when I'm trying to keep some nice crisp lines and I go to paint over them and they smear. So those are those. And then my brushes, I wear them out really fast. I clean them with mineral spirits and it dries them out really fast. So I've got some Gamblin safflower oil. I'm gonna mix that with a few drops of clove leaf oil or clove oil, and it's gonna condition the brushes, and it doesn't dry very fast at all, so they can keep this stuff on them for like a few weeks and I'll have to worry about it like drying up on them and becoming lacquered. Let's see, can you focus? It's backwards, so anyway. Gamblin safflower oil. And then all of my brushes. I ordered a lot. Like, my brushes are literally falling apart, so I had to replace a lot of them. All the sizes. Oh, that one's a big one. scissors. Don't slide off. My favorite brush brand is Royal Langnickel. Royal and Langnickel. And I really like their Zen collection. I started using them when I painted in acrylics, and I'm really abusive to my brushes. I leave them sitting in water for days, weeks, sometimes months. That's when you have to throw them away. But these guys, the painting, the coating on them doesn't allow water to penetrate and warp them and crack them. Let me see if I have an example of what happens when you leave a brush in water for way too long. There we go. There's a good one. This is also a Royal and Langnickel, but obviously not from the Zen collection. This is from some cheap set that I bought many years ago. But what do I have? Oh! I almost lost that one. I've got a couple of liners here. I use those a lot, especially when I'm doing like these tiny little canvases with all those teeny tiny little details. It really comes in handy to have a teeny tiny brush. There we go. And then I've got a couple of brights. I really like these guys. Those are 6 and 4 bright. And then this big dude. Big 1-inch flat brush for covering canvases quickly. And then of course another tiny little detail brush. Alright, that's one bag down. And then these are all, looks like a bunch of filberts and flats. I love the long handles. Look at the size of this guy. That'll cover a canvas fast. It's so beautiful. And then all the flats. Yeah, I really went crazy. And there's a round brush. I have like one round brush that I've used to death. Is this it? That's not it, but this one's really beat up. Can you see the crackle finish? Yeah, that's not supposed to be like that. And yes, this little guy, I use this a lot. The little size 1 flat. And here's another round brush. Size 1. Did I get 2 size 1s? I did. And then lots of filberts. This is the size that I needed to replace. The size 8 filbert. Mine was literally falling apart. Is this him? Yes. Look, he's like, all of his hairs are coming out. He's so gunky and gross. He's definitely ready for the garbage. And this guy, it's not supposed to be like that. I'm sure I can clean it up a little bit with some of the safflower oil and get it back into decent working condition. I probably will. I hate throwing away brushes, but this one is literally falling apart. Whee! It's gross. But yeah, I'm working on these guys right now. I've got these two done. Little, where's the camera? Little pink guy. And this little guy. Focus. Anyway, it won't focus. And then I'm working on these two at the bottom. They're gonna be that one and that one. And then I will be done with these butterflies pretty soon. So I hope you guys enjoyed that tiny little unboxing. I'll catch you later. And if you guys like my video, give me a thumbs up, and you want to see more, subscribe.